start. MTC 3239 Number 20. Number 1. The difference between confidence and comfort. Number 2. Misconceptions about building self-confidence. Number 3. The paradoxical process of building confidence. Number 4. Embracing fear on the path to confidence. Number 5. The expansion of confidence through unfamiliar territory. Number 6. Why we must befriend vulnerability. Number 7. Why we must befriend fear. Number 8. The courage that nurtures confidence. Number 9. Courage grounded in building confidence. Number 10. Growing confidence by embracing fear and uncertainty. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 Number 21. Number 1. The meaning of gold plating in projects. Number 2. The impact of gold plating on projects. Number 3. Types and characteristics of gold plating. Number 4. Specialists and their role in projects. Number 5. The temptation of specialists in gold plating. Number 6. Responsibilities and roles of specialists. Number 7. The risks of gold plating. Number 8. Balancing client needs. Number 9. Balancing quality and value. Number 10. Why the best is the enemy of the good. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 Number 22. Number 1. The growing conflict of assimilating values and lifestyles. Number 2. Multiculturalists' proposal for partial assimilation. Number 3. Balancing cultural retention and conformity pressures. Number 4. Evolution of immigrant cultural identities. Number 5. The impact and role of immigrant communities. Number 6. Conflicts and biases in a multicultural society. Number 7. Comparing past immigration experiences to today's multicultural society. Number 8. Embracing diversity and modern challenges. Number 9. Respecting other cultures and human rights. Number 10. Immigrants in the future multicultural society. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 Number 23. Number 1. The primary purpose of commercial music radio broadcasting. Number 2. The significance of audience size for commercial success. Number 3. Radio broadcasting and the size of the mass audience. Number 4. Audience retention and the role of radio programmers. Number 5. Risk aversion and limited playlists in radio programming. Number 6. Optimizing the mass audience for commercial goals. Number 7. Audience size and the role of advertisers. Number 8. Decision-making process of radio music programmers. Number 9. Mutual dependence of radio broadcasting and advertisers. Number 10. The competitive nature of commercial music radio broadcasting. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 Number 24. Number 1. The evolution of online news and newspaper archives. Number 2. Increased accessibility of newspaper archives and utilization of existing news. Number 3. The usefulness of news archives and changes in news comprehension. Number 4. Online news consumers' engagement and understanding of news context. Number 5. Characteristics of online news and the possibility of interpreting complex issues. Number 6. Improved news comprehension through accessibility to online archives. Number 7. News stories and their relevance to economic, social, and cultural issues. Number 8. Online news and short-lived, unrelated media spectacles. Number 9. The connection between online news and key economic, social, and cultural issues. Number 10. Expanding news comprehension and the role of online archives. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 Number 29. Number 1. Transforming stress into courage and a resource. Number 2. Embracing stress with a positive approach. Number 3. Harnessing stress for increased energy and confidence. Number 4. Stress management and achieving peak performance under pressure. Number 5. The physiological transformation of stress into the biology of courage. Number 6. Viewing stress as a challenge and excelling under pressure. Number 7. Strategies for handling stress and anxiety positively. Number 8. Utilizing stress for energy and confidence. Number 9. Recognizing stress signs and turning them into positives. Number 10. Transforming stress into a source of strength. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC. 3239 Number 30. Number 1. The value of place and changes in textile production. Number 2. Regional connectivity and consumer education. Number 3. Reimagining regional textile industry and culture. Number 4. The significance of product consumption and regional relevance. Number 5. The necessity of restoring consumer and regional connections. Number 6. Reconnecting people, geography, and culture with companies and consumers. Number 7. Perception changes of locally based products' value and consumer awareness. Number 8. The relationship between consumption and regional connectivity. Number 9. Interaction between textile production and regional society. Number 10. Re-evaluating consumer and regional values. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC. 3239 Number 31. Number 1. Unparalleled economic growth and the post-1945 building boom. Number 2. Massive migration from central cities to suburbs. Number 3. Increased dependence on automobiles and the decline of public transportation. Number 4. Construction of better highways and freeways. Number 5. Privatization of leisure and its focus on home-based activities. Number 6. Recreation and leisure centered around homes and neighborhoods. Number 7. The rise of television as a convenient form of entertainment at home. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC. 3239 Number 32. Number 1. Image and video sharing on the internet and the challenge of finding desired content. Number 2. The importance of language-based search in image tagging systems. Number 3. The mechanics behind image classification and object detection methods. Number 4. The significance of missing details in image descriptions. Number 5. The absence of comprehensive descriptions for images. Number 6. The lack of information about who is doing what and the limitations of image tags. Number 7. The omission of context in image tags, such as a cat pulling fish bones from a trash can on the street. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC. 3239 Number 33. Number 1. The worthlessness of inventions or discoveries too far ahead of their time. Number 2. The relationship between innovation and culture, and the importance of innovative discoveries. Number 3. The potential of overly futuristic or unconventional inventions. Number 4. Initial failure and the development of supporting ideas. Number 5. Gregor Mendel and the concept of genetic heredity, along with its initial disregard. Number 6. The importance of connecting past understanding with discoveries and the evolution of science. Number 7. The rediscovery of Gregor Mendel's research and the evolution of science. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC. 3239 Number 34. Number 1. Challenges of traveling to places before the advent of photography. Number 2. The development of photography and its role in visualizing places. Number 3. The introduction of halftone plates and the mechanical reproduction of photographs. Number 4. The integration of photography with consumer capitalism. Number 5. The mass production of photographs and their global distribution. Number 6. The affordability of photographs and their impact on aestheticizing experiences. Number 7. The democratization of experiences through visual representation. Number 8. Lightweight photographs and their role in spatio-temporal place circulation. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC. 3239 Number 35. Number 1. The relationship between telecommuting and organizations. Number 2. The impact of a lack of telecommuting training within organizations. Number 3. The role of misconceptions and discomfort with flexible workplace programs. Number 4. The influence of telecommuting on an organization's economic impact. Number 5. Advances in information technology and the growth of the global workforce. Number 6. The importance of telecommuting in enhancing employee flexibility and productivity. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 number 36. Number 1. The importance and cost of intuitive classification and generalization. Number 2. The conceptual understanding of stereotypes and racial bias. Number 3. Comparing stereotypes to other forms of generalization. Number 4. Generalizations about groups and negative perceptions. Number 5. The role of perception and differences in group categorization. Number 6. The danger of stereotypes and their lack of flexibility. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 number 37. Number 1. Fine-tuned adaptive responses of plants to nutrient limitations. Number 2. Recognizing signs of poor nutrition and the need for fertilizer. Number 3. Strategies for nutrient acquisition in plants without caretakers. Number 4. Plant memory and responses to environmental variations. Number 5. Behavioral patterns of plants in response to fluctuating nutrient availability. Number 6. Plant energy utilization and survival strategies in the face of environmental changes. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 number 38. Number 1. The transformation of music production technology from analog to digital. Number 2. Digitization of sounds and its impact on the creative process. Number 3. Simplifying music editing through digital technology. Number 4. Shifting from physical tools to digital messages for sound manipulation. Number 5. Precise manipulation of digitally converted sounds in milliseconds. Number 6. Expanding possibilities for sound editing and experimentation. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 number 39. Number 1. Understanding artworks and their creation. Number 2. The importance of general knowledge in artwork creation. Number 3. Interplay between artworks and artistic materials and tools. Number 4. Art critics and their knowledge of artwork materials and techniques. Number 5. Artwork creation and the artistic effects of materials and tools. Number 6. Evaluating how artists utilize specific materials and tools. Number 7. Pushing the boundaries of artistic material and tool usage in artwork creation. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 number 40. Number 1. The importance of historical fiction and historical understanding. Number 2. Researching historical fiction with a focus on everyday people and events. Number 3. Recreating historical context, role of everyday situations and emotions. Number 4. Reconstructing historical context and the role of fictional elements. Number 5. Adding color, sound, and drama to the past in historical fiction. Number 6. The significance of creativity in films and historical fiction. Number 7. The relationship between historical fiction and lack of historical evidence. Number 8. Historical fiction as a collaborative tool with professional history. MTC. Good job. Let's start. MTC 3239 number 4142. Number 1. Understanding how we remember and forget what we learned in school. Number 2. Recognizing knowledge without recalling its school origin. Number 3. The role of context information in memory. Number 4. Preserving content while losing context. Number 5. Differentiating between context information and content memory. Number 6. Why context information is prone to forgetfulness and its impact on memory illusions. Number 7. Memory errors and context information. Number 8. Misconceptions about remembering the source of knowledge in school. MTC. Good job.